We opened Ethos with that mindset. How can we be the most diverse roofing company and help a customer with any type of roofing scenario that they have and help them navigate that in a headache-free fashion? A lot of times we see that homeowners think that their roof issue is just isolated to the roof. But what they don't realize is the roof is part of a series of components on the house. The roof is tied into the siding, plumbing, HVAC, stucco, stone, a whole host of trades and everything underneath it. And if a roofing contractor is just solely focused on the roof, there's potential to miss out on major issues that could cost the customer thousands of dollars in the long run. And when a property owner calls Ethos, they don't want another problem to manage. They're looking for someone to step in, take accountability for the project and handle it from beginning to end, so they don't have to worry about it. And that's what we built Ethos for. I named the company Ethos because it's different, it's easy to remember, and that's how we are as a company. We want to be different, and when we interact with our customers, we want our customers to remember us and the experience that we give them. So the range of projects we can handle are anything from a small leak repair up to a large complex insurance restoration project, or if your roof has just reached the end of its life, we can give you options to just replace your roof. So over the years, we've developed relationships and have built a team of experts in every single area that is involved with the roof, so we can create a seamless solution for the customer and not just do a Band-Aid that costs them down the road. And it may not be the roof. It might be the siding, it might be the stucco, it could be the flashing. That's where it takes a contractor with knowledge of all of these systems to be able to properly diagnose. We see a lot of situations where roof repairs are done to repair a leak, but that's not the source of the leak. So the customer maybe went with a cheaper bid and paid to have the work done, only to find out the next rain, they're leaking in the same spot again, just because the contractor didn't have an understanding of all that. So that's something we really specialize in, is the detection of leaks and understanding the systems around the roof to ensure that we do the repair once and we don't come back. We're not a volume contractor. Our goal is not to sell as many projects in a year as possible. Our ideal customer is the customer that really cares about their property and wants to improve it in the proper way. We're trained to listen to your goals and understand what exactly you're wanting for the project, and then doing a full assessment and understanding what your house needs. And based on those two theories, we can build a solution around you. So at the end of the day, after the customer is done working with Ethos and their project is all done, I want them to feel that the issue was resolved in the proper fashion and that they're not gonna have to worry about anything in the future. If you work with us, you're gonna understand how the project is gonna go, you're gonna understand the work that's gonna be done, and when everything is done, you're gonna have the peace of mind that an industry-leading warranty is in place on your project.